Oyiphini lenhloko yomkhuzi wamaphoyisa eKuruleni uJulius Mkhwanazi kungenzeka ashushiswe mayelana neqhaza lakhe ekufakweni kwamalamba alihlaza ezimotweni zikasomabhizinisi uVusumuzi Cat Matlala kanye nasekubulaweni ka-Emmanuel Mbhense ngo-2022. Lokhu kuqinisekiswe obambe njengenhloko yezophenyo kwe-IPID uThuso Kifela Kai ngesikhathi yethula ubufakazi ngaphambi kwekhomishana kaMadlanga ephenya ngenkohlakalo ku-SAPS.
UKifela Kai ubezokwethula ubufakazi kule khomishana mayelana nophenyo oluqhubekayo lwe-IPID oluthinta amacala omkhandlu waseKuruleni. Utshele isigcawu ukuthi wasithumela isiphakamiso sokuthi uJulius Mkhwanazi ashushiswe ngokuba nesandla ekutheni ezinye zezimoto zikaMatlala zifakwe amalamba alihlaza.
This related to alleged irregular vehicle transaction and is normally referred to as the blue light matter. The incident that occurred in 2023. So the summary there, it was that there were allegations that Brigadier Mkhwanazi of EMPD made a transaction or entered into a transaction with a certain fellow called Mr. Vusumuzi Cat Matlala. I personally signed the recommendations recommending that Brigadier Julius Mkhwanazi must be charged.
Uthi uMkhwanazi kungenzeka futhi aphenywe ngokuthinteka kwakhe ekubulaweni ka-Emmanuel Mbhense owayesolwa ngokuphanga nokusola ukuthi wafela ezandleni zamaphoyisa emva kokushaywa kufuneka impahla ayeba.
If you check on the subject there, Commissioners, Brigadier Julius Mkhwanazi is still featuring and other EMPD members and of course the SAPS members. This is the death of Mr. Mbhense. This is the incident that occurred between the 14th and the 15th April 2022. The deceased was taken from his place of rest, and on the 15th, the body was found at the Sparfather Dam near the Duduza Township.
Isigcawu siyaqhubeka.